अ पर्सन वॉक्स 100 मीटर वेस्टवर्ड्स, तो एक व्यक्ति जो है पश्चिम की ओर 100 मीटर चलता है, फिर बाएं मुड़ता है. So initial direction is given that he is walking westwards. Let's say he starts from here and he is walking westwards 100 meters. Then he turns left. So from here he is turning left. That means he will start going towards south now. So he turns left, walks 100 meters. So he is walking 100 meter now. Then he takes 225-degree turn in clockwise direction. अब यहाँ पर बहुत बच्चे गलती करते हैं. Now understand the person is here itself and right now he is facing this direction because he was walking in this direction. Now he is taking 225-degree turn in clockwise direction. Now you need to understand the person is standing at that particular point and he is rotating at that particular point itself. गलती क्या करते हो आप लोग? Normally you people rotate it like this and you bring this point here. This is not how this person has rotated. This is a mistake that most of you are doing in the class also. I have seen in many of your copies also. So ये नहीं करना है. The person is standing here itself and here only he is rotating by 225-degree. Now 225 is 180 plus 45. That means he is rotating 180-degree and then 45-degree more. That means here itself he is rotating 180 and then 45 more. So total 180-degree and 45-degree. So he is at this point itself and now he starts moving in this direction. In which direction is he walking now? So which direction is this? He is walking in this direction. So this is supposed to be north, this is to be east. That means this direction is northeast या फिर उत्तर पूर्व की दिशा है. ये गलती आप ये करते हो यहाँ पर कि इस पॉइंट्स को घुमा कर यहाँ ले आते हो. ये पॉइंट घूम कर यहाँ नहीं आया है, वो जो व्यक्ति था वो यहीं पर खड़े खड़े घूमा है. सो द पर्सन इज स्टैंडिंग हियर ओनली एंड ही जस्ट रोटेटेड क्लॉकवाइज बाय 225 डिग्रीज. चलो लेट्स डिस्कस द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.